Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. This video is about unboxing a Preethi Aries mixer grinder. Mixer. This is a mixer we have been purchased for 7,000 change. Here they have given MRP is 8,000. It comes in the 4 jars. With the heavy motor and more action in the less time. Its design is very beautiful, and I have been purchased this color of mixer grinder. Shall we open and see? Mixer I have been removed from it, and a beautiful one. This is used for the spices and all, to blend all the spices like cardamom. Here there is another jar. This is used to blend some batter and all. It is also used for wet items to blend, dry items, dry powders and all. This for all the paste like ginger garlic paste, masalas and all. And here come the third jar, and this third jar for the wet items like batter, dosa batter and all. This is the biggest jar. This jar for to make the juices, milkshakes and all. All the jars has the auto lock, and the motor is very fast and cooling. See this. They have given the instruction manual here. I have been satisfied with the purchase of this mixer Preethi Aries. This design is also nice and easy to blend with the good fast motor and also the sharp blades. It is user friendly with the 4 jars. This is Preethi Aries mixer, which comes with the 4 jars. With 750 watts of motor. This with the stylish and a good design. I have purchased it for 7,000 change. I have purchased it offline itself by nearby showroom. And here comes the big jar, and they have given one spatula along with this a user manual. Then when coming to this juicer jar, this is one of the juicer jar. And then this is the wet grinding jar. The second one is the wet grinding jar. Really I like the stylish handles and the beautiful design. For everything they have given the beautiful designs of handle for this and for this. This is the juicer. This is the juicer jar. And this is the wet grinding jar. Useful for the dosa batters and all. And this jar is a chutney jar or the dry grinding jar. And this comes a mini small jar, and this is the spices jar. And this jar have the lid with the measuring cap. See, this is a measuring cap they have given for this jar. This is the lid for the jar along with the measuring cap. Thanks for watching. See this fine powder we got from this mini jar. This is the cardamom I have taken here. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.